Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can manage your negative stock restriction on Transact. So what is the use of negative stock restriction? Suppose if you don't want your stock to go in negative in inventory. Suppose if your store and sales team are different, sales team is creating the invoice, they are not aware that in store the stock is available or not. They created the invoice and then after the stock got deducted and the stock went into negative. So in order to restrict that, we do have an option that is negative stock restriction. How you can use the same? So click on all modules, go to settings. Now here, once you will go to setting, you need to go to inventory. Now in inventory, you will see an option of negative stock restriction. Please check, click on this. Now here are few of the restriction which is provided. Stock transfer restriction, manual adjustment, approval, document restriction, production restriction, physical stock restriction. So this means if these are selected, so system will not let you take next action like the document creation. System will not let you create the document if the stock is not available or if the stock is going in negative. Same happens in the production. It will not let you go ahead and issue the raw material in production if the stock is going in negative or not available. So this is how you can keep it turned on, and then after you can manage the negative stock restriction and you can prevent your inventory from going in negative. You can turn it off or turn it on as per your requirement. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage the stock restriction. Have a good day ahead.